Okay, Strickland here to explain what probability is. And as you can see on the screen, probability is the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes possible. Now, what that means is really this. The top number would be what you want to happen and how many times it can happen. The bottom number would be the total possible outcomes. What can happen? So you need to think about like it shows here down in the middle of the page. If you toss a coin, okay, the probability of heads is 1 over 2. And the reason for that is because there's one head, but there are two possible outcomes, heads or tails. So you've got 1 over 2. Now, when it comes to probability, the thing is you can refer to it in the form of a fraction, decimal, percent, ratio, any or all. Okay? But the main thing to remember is when you're dealing with probability, you need to understand what do you want to happen or what does the question ask you to happen? And then what can happen?